So you're telling me you lost Annabelle. Wasn't your job to make sure that Annabelle doesn't get out? You put her on tour, but they told you not to move the doll. Do you think she is going to say,
I'm going to stay here and not burn down a building even though I'm a possessed doll who should not be on tour? Because I would kill people, and I don't want to do that. OFC, she would burn down a building. What were you expecting? Are there rocks in your brain? I'm moving to Antarctica. She's found in my area. Imagine you wake up and you go into your kitchen to get a snack and you see Annabelle on the top of your fridge like, hey bestie, you wanna play some games? I would have chucked that thing across the room. Like what if she's on Spirit Airlines coming to my house as we speak and breaking down my door? Anyway, that's it for the video by my sunshines.